beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to hit the red button to subscribe to join the family. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. Hello guys, I'm preparing Amla hair mask for my hair. This is Amla, Cumin seed and Fennel seed. I'm going to prepare it as a tea, okay, first with hot water. Then I'll use it to mix this Amla powder. So today I'm preparing Amla hair mask for my hair. So this is cumin seed. I explained about this cumin seed in my other video. Please watch that video too. Okay, this is hibiscus flower. I'll use it to mix this Amla powder. First I'm going to prepare it as a tea, then use the water to mix the Amla. So this is how we are going to do it. This is hibiscus flower, this is cumin seed, and this is fennel seed. So, and this container is what I'm going to put all of these things into. Leave the tea at least 1 hour before you start using it for the hair mask. There are so many ways and benefits of using Amla on our hair. Today, I'm going to tell you few of the benefits of using Amla on your hair. Amla purifies the blood and enhances hair natural color by preventing premature graying of hair. It has antifungal and antiviral properties, which prevents dandruff and other fungal infections and improves scalp health. In preparing this hair mask, you can choose any oil of your choice. In this video, I used almond oil. Almond oil helps to nourish, soften and strengthen your hair. It is rich in vitamin B7, soothes scalp inflammation, aids growth and fight frizz. So guys, I have to apply this on my hair, somewhere that I can clean up, because the last time that I applied henna on my head, all the floor was messed up and I don't have that strength to start cleaning the floor. the ties. So I need to go somewhere and apply this Amla hair mask on my hair. So right now I'm done applying the Amla on my hair. You can see it on my hair. So I'm going to wait like 1 hour or 2 hours. I will just cover it and be doing something else, other things that I have to do this night. So when I'm free to wash it out, I'll wash it out. But you just have to leave it like 1 hour is enough. Yeah, if you like to leave it more than an hour, it's fine. As for me, whenever I apply hair mask, it's always at night. Like I'll just apply it and sleep, and I will make sure that I'm sleeping somewhere that I'm not going to stain my bed. I'll just find somewhere and sleep. So right now I still have time to wash it out. This is 6:30 p.m. So I still have to leave it like around 8 o'clock, then I'll wash it out. So I still have much time to wash it out before I go to bed.
Oh, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up because it also helps my channel to grow. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit on that red button to subscribe. See you next time on my next video. Bye bye.